Well, from the Greek words psyche and logos, psychology is originally defined as the study of the mind, and therefore it's an extremely interesting and important social science. Where we cover many questions, and that's what makes it so interesting. Questions like, why are men more predisposed to commit crime than women? Or what happens to the hippocampus in our brain when we're around external stimuli? Or in the case of Milgram's controversial study, how far will we go in obeying an authority figure? However, because we study so many different approaches in psychology, cognitive, developmental, individual differences, we have a real rich variety, and that's another good thing about the course. Probably critical thinking, I'd say, is the most important one, where you can understand certain objective facts about the study and then apply your own opinions and thoughts to the study and assess how useful it is. To read a lot quickly and get the main information down and apply that to your essays. Because again, there's a lot of studies that we cover, so to be able to pick out the key things is quite important before you get kind of waffled. Milgram's, because it's so famous, Milgram's study, and you watch so many different documentaries on it, but then to study it in the course you get a complete understanding that a documentary wouldn't quite give you, so the results, the different procedures step by step. I think so Milgram's study was quite important. Well, I've always wanted to study psychology, however the courses that I'm looking at, anthropology with something else, there's only 2 psychology courses, and that's in East London and I think Roehampton. So I can't study that course. So hopefully I might be able to bring in neuroanthropology, so I'm studying anthropology and archaeology. So I might be able to bring in psychology later on in my studies, and I hope I can. It's a really interesting course. It's so hard to choose one. It's like 80 studies in the second year. It's a lot. Not in depth.